Hello children. In previous video you learnt about our planet. Now let us move towards our next topic. What do you see in the picture? There are some lines which run horizontally and vertically. See. These are imaginary lines. They are not real lines on the ground. They are drawn on the map or globe to help locate places on the earth easily. See, these are imaginary lines. Now, can you guess what I am going to tell you today? Any guess here? That is the topic latitudes and longitudes for class 5. And my name is Sonika. Okay, let's start with the latitudes. The imaginary lines that run across east to west direction are called latitudes. See here, in this picture, the lines are there which run from east to west direction. See, these are imaginary lines. These are latitudes. See, the lines which run from east to west direction are called latitudes. The lines are parallel to each other. See, these are latitudes. Now let us learn about the interesting facts of latitudes. Okay, see the picture, lines of latitudes. They are parallel to each other. Can you see here? The lines are parallel to each other. They are known as parallels of latitudes. The longest latitude on the earth, see here, the longest latitude on the earth is known as equator. The equator divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. See here, the longest latitude is known as equator. Okay, let's read once again. The lines are parallel to each other and the longest latitude is equator, and the equator divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Okay, understood? Then next, important lines of latitudes. See here, these are some important lines of latitudes. See, this is the longest line is known as equator, the longest latitude. Okay, see here, the lines are measured in degrees. Okay, next, Tropic of Cancer. Can you see Tropic of Cancer here? The latitude is located at 23.5 degree north. Here, this is Tropic of Cancer. It is located at the 23.5 degree north. It is in the northern hemisphere. Okay. Then Tropic of Cancer. Here, it is located at the 23.5 degrees south. It is in the southern hemisphere. Then Arctic Circle. Can you see here? Arctic Circle is located at 66.5 degree north. Then Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degrees south. It is in the southern hemisphere. These are some important lines of latitudes. These are important latitudes. And the two poles here. See, this is North Pole. It is at the north side and it measures as a 90-degree north. And this is South Pole. It measures 90-degree south. That is North Pole. This is South Pole. Understood? These are important latitudes. Now let's move towards the longitudes. These are different from the latitude because these are the imaginary lines that run from North Pole to the South Pole. See in the picture, these lines which run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Okay, these lines are vertical. See, these lines are vertical. Now, some interesting facts about the longitudes. See, they cut the latitude at right angle, 90 degree. See, if latitudes comes here, then the longitude cuts the latitude at a right angle. Okay. The distance between two longitudes is maximum at the equator. See here, where the equator comes here. Then the longitudes towards the equator, the distance is more here. See. Okay. The distance between two longitudes is maximum, means it is more at the equator. When it comes towards the equator, the distance is more. The distance between two longitudes decreases towards the poles. When it reaches towards the pole, the distance decrease. See here, at the pole the distance is less and at the equator the distance is more between the longitudes. Okay. Then the longest latitude, see, the longest latitude is known as prime meridian. This is it in center. The longest latitude is prime meridian. That is known as prime meridian. The longitude help us to know the time at a place. Okay. It help us to know the time at place. There are 360 longitudes on the earth. 360 longitudes on the earth, 180 longitude in the east side, in the eastern hemisphere, and 180 longitudes are in the western hemisphere. Okay. Now, difference between latitudes and longitudes. In latitudes, horizontally imaginary lines run from east to west, but in longitude, vertically imaginary lines run from north to south. In latitudes, the lines are horizontal, and in longitudes, the lines are vertical. Okay. Next, they are known as parallels of latitudes. Latitudes are known as parallels of latitudes, and longitudes, they are known as meridians. See the difference. Okay. Then the equator divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. In latitudes, the equator divides into north and southern hemisphere. Okay. But in longitude, the prime meridian divides. The prime meridian divides the eastern and western hemisphere. These are the differences between latitudes and longitudes. Next is Why we use these lines, latitudes and longitudes? We use these lines to locate the places. Okay, latitudes and longitudes forms a network of lines known as grid. We use them to locate place on the earth. See here, these I have given here in this picture, latitudes and longitudes both. See, latitudes and longitudes form a network. See, this is a grid. This is known as grid. By using the latitude and longitude, we locate the place on the earth. See here, east to west, north to south. We can know the location of the place by using these imaginary lines. Understood? I hope you understood about latitudes and longitudes in this video. Thank you and bye.